Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good out there. You're taking care of you and your family. So yeah, I'm here with a new video and a new topic. So today's topic it is about what all should a girl have in her vanity or in her backpack, where she can be very much comfortable to travel, or maybe she should use all those things that are compulsory to use and that are very good for a girl to use. So let's jump into the video. So the first thing is that I'm going to show you is the mask sheets. See, these mask sheets are very good to use. I'll tell you the names. This is the pearl one, this is the caramide, this is the tea tree mask sheet. These mask sheets are very good and you can use as per your skin. Now this mask sheet, the tea tree mask sheet is a refreshing and smoothing. So depends on the skin, or depends on what is going on with you. Like, are you, if you're traveling and your skin is rough, so you can use the refreshing and smoothing thing, so your skin becomes smooth while traveling. And you can carry this mask sheets anywhere. You if you are in a trip, or if you're traveling somewhere for a work, or you are in house, or you're busy, your schedule is very busy, so you can carry this mask sheets very easily. They are very good and you get them as per your skin and skin types. So the another mask sheet that I'm showing you is, see, this one is deep moisturizing mask sheet. The another is bright complexion. This is a pearl mask sheet. This mask sheets are basically very good for your skin. You should use them at least once in a week. And yeah, they are very hydrating, and they take care of your skin very nicely. And they are very good. I use them very frequently and they are very nice. Every girl should have it. And it is very user friendly. You can use it anywhere and everywhere. And it is very good to carry. It doesn't spoil your like, you don't have to carry everything like a, if you're traveling and if you feel like, yeah, my skin is I feel a little bit tan here, and if you feel dry and everything. So you don't have to carry a lot of things in your backpack. Only this thing is good for your skin. Like, if you carry one mask sheet and if you apply it on your face, put it on your face, and for 15-20 minutes, and it is done. It takes care very nicely of your skin. And you don't have to carry a lot of products and sit and apply them on your face. Only this much is okay. So it's very good. Everybody try, every girl, please try this out. And you get them easily on Amazon, you get them easily in any of the medical store. And yeah, many, only not this, but there are many types in this available. Like, I've shown you the green tea one, the pearl one. Yeah, so many of them are available, like gold mask and mask sheet, and the diamond mask sheet. And there are many mask sheets available. There'll be a picture on the screen which is coming, so you can see how the mask sheet looks. You just have to you just have to tear the mask sheet, cut the mask sheet from here, and you get the mask sheet out of it. And just when you see, it is very wet. It is very wet. The substance which is there on the mask sheet, it doesn't fall. It is sticky, it is wet. It depends on the type that you're taking. If you take this mask sheet, then you will find a creamy base on the mask sheet. So you just have to open it, and you have to put it on your face. Just wash the face very nicely and then put it. Don't put it without washing the face, without cleaning the face. Wash it very nicely with a face wash, or with a whatever soap that you're using. I will recommend you a face wash, and then only apply it. Guys, this video is going to go too long. I have to explain. So there are some things that I have collected to show you that you should use, and I have to explain each and everything in this video, so it's going to be too long. So take your snacks and everything and sit on one place and watch it very nicely. You will get very good information from the video. So yeah, let's continue. So yeah, we are done with the mask sheets, and the second thing is that I'm going to show you is the wipes, guys. Wipes, it is very important for every girl to carry it in the bag, or in her vanity, or in her house. She needs to have this. So you use any brand which you feel like. There are many brands out there. There are they have good brands, that they are very good brands that they have come with this kind of vibes. And like some of them, they even some of them have the brightening wipes and the moisturizing. So whichever you like, just pick it up and use it. Wipes are something that are used everywhere. You can use it. If you want, I'll show it to you how it is. Like, you just have to open the lid and remove one of it outside. It looks like this, if you can see. Yes. And it is like this. It is little bit, it has a moisture in it. It is wet little, and you can use it for anything. You can use it to remove your makeup. Yes. I will just, for makeup, I will not recommend you this. But if you don't have any other option at the time, so you can use this. But after that, you please wash your face, because makeup is something which doesn't go with a wipe. Only you will get a temporary, result out of it, but not a permanently one. So yeah, but you can wipe your face in when you're traveling, when you're working, and everything. Wipe is very good. Wipes are very good. You should use it. So it's a very nice thing that the next thing that I'm showing you is the hair serum, because I like this brand. Yeah, the hair serum is something that you have to use for your hair. And it gives you a very smoothing, texture for your hair. It protects your hair. There are many serums that are available in the market, like for your colored hair, for your nude hair, for frizzy hair, for dry hair, for oily hair. Many serums, but this one is the thing which you can use for your colored hair. You should have it in your bag, in your backpack. You should have it in your house. After you, and for your normal use also, it is best. You should use it for your, for your everyday use. You wash your hair. It is, you just dry it a bit. Don't dry it fully. Just wash your hair, dry it a bit, and then apply this on your hair. And just leave it for 5 minutes and comb your hair. You don't have to sit and dry your hair totally and then, apply it. It has to be applied on a wet hair, but little bit wet, not totally wet, just little bit wet. And it gives you a very fine result. I can tell you guys, it is very, very good. So just have it. If you don't have it, just go and buy it, and just keep it in your vanity or your bag, or in your house. It's very, very, very good. I'm telling you, it will smoothen your hair. It will take care of your hair very nicely. So yeah, this part is done. So let's move on with the another product. So now I'm going to tell you about this. Now, what is this? This is a makeup remover that you need, guys. You need it. Yes, I'm going to tell you all those things that you should have. So I'm going to repeat it again and again. You will need this. You can remove. These are Garnier, I'll tell you what is written on this. Garnier Skin Active Cleansing Water. So this is a hydrating water that removes all your makeup and gives you a finishing normal skin. It removes all your makeup. It doesn't keep a bit on your face, on your neck area, or whichever. If you have applied something on your hand, like a foundation or a highlighter on your off shoulders and all, you can use this. And yes, trust me, it is not going to give you any acne after that, or breakouts, or nothing. It is very good for your skin. So just use it. Just keep it in your vanity, and it is very good. You see, this sachets are user friendly. You can just you can see the line over here, the line here. Just peel it out and take it on your cotton, or if you don't have a cotton, take it on a tissue and just put it and wipe it. Yes. If you don't, wash your face after, like if you don't have water, you're traveling and you don't have water, and if you feel that no, now where will I wash my face? So no problem. You just wipe your face with this, and whenever you get water, like half an hour, 1 hour, then you can wipe your face again, wash your face again. But this, guys, trust me, for a longer time, how much ever time you are traveling and you don't get water to wash your face, no, you can just rely on this. You just can wipe your face with this, and you're done. You're done. Your all your eye makeup, your lip, your foundation, and everything will get removed. Everything. You will get a normal skin and a hydrating skin. You'll feel that, you know wow, my skin has become so good after removing the makeup. The skin is feeling so good. It will give you that, because it's very very nice. So remember this, it is a Garnier cleansing water that is a makeup remover, I can tell you. So use this, it's a very nice thing. So yeah, the next thing that I'm going to tell you, eyebrow razor, guys. This is very important, and now in this lockdown period, you should have it. Just order it from your whichever site, like Amazon or wherever you put it, like shopping sites, and you will get this. I'm telling you, it's a very good product. It's basically written here that it is an eyebrow razor, but it is not only used for an eyebrow thing, but yeah, it is a face razor. And now you will say that, oh my god, face razor, you're recommending us to use a face razor on a, like a razor on a face. Yes, guys, it is a face razor. And it is very, very nice. I'll show you. I'll just show you how it is. See, I got this, and in a pack, it comes like 3 pieces in a pack. So, whichever you like, you just pick it up from here, and then it looks like this. It looks like this. Guys, it's very nice, I'll tell you. So it looks like this. Now this is a shaving razor for your face. Now how to do it, I'll make another video if you want, just to show you how to remove the hair on your face with this, or how to do your eyebrows. But I'll just give you a little bit hint that what should you do with this. This is a face razor basically, and I'll recommend you not to shave whole of your face, not to shave whole of your face, but the parts where you will not get any bumps or any acne after doing this. Because many a times people go and, like ladies go and do hair waxing or like face waxing and all, this gives you that finish. But what happens after the face waxing, it gives you bumps and it gives you acne, and the oil comes out of your face, and you are not going to just like it, and it doesn't give you a good finish. And yeah, many people have all that problem with their skin after doing that. So I'll not recommend you to do that. So use this, it will give you the same result with this, but without any problem. So what should you do with this? You should just you know uh, uh, do your forehead, your upper lips, and your temple area. This is the temple area of your face, the cheekbones, this thing, no, sorry, the the sides of your side cuts of your face, and the bone area down. So you have to do this with that. So how should you do that? Just take it like this, hold it like this, hold it very strongly, and just put it like this here, put it like this here, and just rub it down, rub it down slowly, 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 how much ever pressure you can take for your skin, do it. But it is very nicely, you don't get any no itching, no like threading and all. If you do that, you get that the pain comes from that thread when they pull the thread and it starts paining. No, 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 this doesn't happen with this. It's very nice, it is very easy to do. So just do it, and it is very nice. I'm telling you a good result that I've got from this. So that is why I'm recommending you this, and it is very good. So do your eyebrow here. For this, I'll recommend you the wheat trimmer. The weed trimmer that you get on the Amazon, buy that. It's very good for your this and cheek areas. But if you feel that there is no hair on your cheek areas, just you have the peach fuzz, then do it here. Then do it here and here, and your eyebrows and your upper lips. Upper lips, go it like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and on your forehead. And forehead also don't come in the middle, just do it on the temple areas and your eyebrows. If you feel that you have hair here also, you can do it here, but don't come in the middle part, just go it around. It is very good, guys. Every girl should have it, every girl should carry it. It is an emergency thing. You don't have to go sit and go to the parlors, and there you'll get a one tone fairer shade, and it's very nice, very nice. So use this, um like, just order it. So yeah, just move on to the next thing. The next thing is the perfume. Everybody likes it, I know. So use a perfume. This I'm using the Dala one. The Dala one, yeah, the Dala that I've got from the mall here. And it, trust me, the fragrances are really, really good. Now you guys will say that why should we use it? Like, yeah, I use a deo or a roll on, so this is not like for an everyday use. Guys, if you get ready, you apply a lot of makeup and you wear a good branded clothes, or good clothes, and you get very much, look, you're looking good, you're looking pretty, but if you're not smelling good, no use, guys, trust me, no use. It is a perfume is something that, your people feel like, yes, people will, get attracted to you, and they'll feel that, yeah, she's something, extraordinary. That feel comes, even you guys think like you should have got the same feeling, right? If some girl has, if she's wearing good clothes, she's wearing good makeup, and she's smelling good, then you have that point of view in your mind that, yes, that's nice, that she's very, good and branded kind of thing. That feeling that you get from that girl. So yeah, you should use it. It is a very nice thing. If you're in perfumes, if you're not, like, I have not yet used a perfume for a, office wear or a workplace, or any trips and all. You're just going on with your deos. Don't do that. Buy a perfume and use it, and just, see the result out there, guys. You will find the amazing result. And just use a perfume. You yourself will feel good that people are, attending you very nicely, and it's very good. So use a perfume. You should have it in your bag. Use a perfume. And what else can I tell you? A hairspray. It is very important. Again, yes, it is very important. You should use a hairspray. Now, what is this? This hairspray that I'm using is a fix up hairspray. This hairspray is a very nice hairspray. Why I'm telling you to use this hairspray is because, like, you have washed your hair for before 2 days, and you don't have time to wash your hair, and you have to, you have lot to do in the day time, and you have to go here and meetings and everything, or maybe you have to meet people out there, workplace or travel or anything. If you have this in your bag, trust me, guys, that is going to help you a lot. Now, how to use it? If you're traveling and you feel that, oh my god, my hair has become so oily, and or freezy, or they are looking rough, and they are not, you don't, they are like, managed nahi ho rahe hair, they are not getting managed properly. So you just take the spray, just spray it on your hair. And yes, there is no side effect of that, I can tell you, no side effect. Just spray it in your hair, and just leave it for 2 minutes and comb your hair. Bus, nothing, you have to do it. So it's a good thing, guys, to carry, you to maintain yourself. And it is very much like, the hairs are going lot, like the water, the water doesn't suit, the products doesn't suit, and the hairs are, falling, and they have lose the volume. carry it everywhere. It's good, it's very good. Then the next thing is lip balms. Yeah, you have to use this, you have to have this everywhere. You can't put your lipsticks, and a lot of lipstick you have put, and you yourself feel that yes, I'm going here, but I don't want to put the lipstick because it will not suit the place, or whatever you feel like you're only with. But you have to take care of yourself, your lips. So you can just use this, you can just keep this with yourself. And see this one, the I brought this. See the color, see the color, see the color. It is so, it smells nice, and it is so good. Like, it's very, just pinky thing. You just get a pinky pink lips, a baby pink lips shade on your lips, and you can carry it everywhere. And it is very important for you to, you can just apply it whole day in your house also, because if you're getting the dry lips, and you feel that you don't have to apply the Vaseline thing and all, because it wets your face out there. The oil comes here and here and becomes oily, so you don't like to. And your because of the makeup and all, your this lips are having lines and they're getting dry. Just apply it whole day, whole day. You can apply it for the whole day. It's very, very good. So have this at least one in your bag, or yeah, with you. Have this one thing. See, there are many things that a girl can, girl should have in her bags, but these are few things, as I'm telling you, a girl should have, and they're very important, and it becomes very easy. It becomes like your life becomes very easy with them. So I have just picked some of them, so I can, just tell you how easy it is to go with these things. So the last and the main thing that a girl should have, and yeah, it has helped me a lot, guys. It is this. Now, what is this? What is this? It's a body shaper. Guys, you should have it. And I know that many of the girls out there, the women out there, ladies out there, they know they should have it, but they are not in a mood of buying it. But once you just take it, then I sure you are not going to go out without that. You're not. It's very, yes, we don't get time for ourselves and to groom and go to the gym and exercise. I'm not telling you that you should not do that. You should take care of yourself. You should, if you're having a good physique, like tummy and all that, not physique, but you have grown your weight, so you should lose your weight. You should take care of yourself. But this is an emergency thing, guys. This is an emergency thing. See this. See it. I actually have 4 5 of them, but I'm showing one of it. Why? Because it is a full body thing. You get the pants, you just get the upper top, or till the tummy also you get the pants. But this is something, too good, that I have experienced till today, like one of those, the best one of those. So see this one. It has it is full length. First, it is full length, and it has uh, the down part. It has the hooks also. See, it has the hooks also, so you can just, it covers your butts. It covers your butts, and so whole body is been covered with this. And you just have to put the, like diapers, like baby. Here you put the diapers to a baby. It is just like that. See, just like that. It looks like this when you put the hooks. See, so it covers your butts. It covers your butts. It covers your, the whole body. It covers your whole body. And you get a flat tummy. You get your, the side shape. It becomes very, it looks very sleek, and you get your hips in a very good shape. So this is totally very good. You can wear it in a dress, you can wear it in your shorts, if you're wearing a shorts and a top, if you're wearing a long dress, if you're wearing jeans, you can just carry it everywhere. You're wearing a Indian like churidar, you're wearing, you can carry it everywhere and anywhere, and it is very much, if you're going out, it is just good to just carry in your bag and just go. And it is very good. Once you buy it, guys, once you buy it, trust me, you're not going to leave it. You will wear it anywhere and everywhere you go. If you will even wear it in the house if you like, feel like. But it's very good. So yeah, these are all the things that I felt that you should have and you should carry in your day-to-day life. So just use all of them and just let me know how you feel it. And yeah, I want you guys to stay good and yeah, feel good about yourself. So just take care and take care of yourself and use all these things, and let me know how you find it and how you feel after that, and does it make your life easier and beautiful. And yeah, then I think now the time is to go. I'll come with the next video and soon, and with a new topic for you guys. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourself.